The 2026 Pontiac GTO is more than just a revival of a legendary name. It's a statement that raw American muscle still has a place in a modern world dominated by technology, electrification, and efficiency torque. When Pontiac decided to bring back the GTO badge for 2026, the goal wasn't to chase trends or play it safe. The goal was simple: build a car that feels aggressive, powerful, emotional, and unmistakably American from the moment you lay eyes on it to the second you press the start button. At first glance, the 2026 GTO instantly reminds you why this nameplate once ruled the streets. The design blends classic muscle proportions with modern sharpness. The long hood stretches confidently forward, hinting at serious power underneath, while the short rear deck keeps the traditional muscle car stance intact. The front fascia is bold and intimidating, with a wide grille that takes inspiration from classic GTO models but is modernized with LED lighting and aggressive air intakes. The headlights are slim and focused, giving the car a predatory look, as if it's always ready to launch. From the side, the GTO looks planted and muscular. Wide fenders wrap around massive wheels, and the sculpted body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, emphasizing speed even when the car is standing still. The rear design is clean but aggressive, featuring quad exhaust tips, a subtle integrated spoiler, and LED taillights that echo Pontiac's heritage without feeling outdated. This is not a retro copy, it's a respectful evolution. Step inside the 2026 Pontiac GTO, and you'll find a cabin designed around the driver. Pontiac clearly understood that a true muscle car should feel like an extension of the person behind the wheel. The seats are deeply bolstered, offering excellent support during hard driving while still being comfortable enough for daily use. High-quality materials are used throughout the interior, including leather, alcantara, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents, giving the GTO a premium yet performance-focused feel. The dashboard layout blends classic inspiration with modern technology. A fully digital instrument cluster can be customized to show everything from classic-style gauges to advanced performance data like G-forces, lap times, and engine metrics. At the center, a large touchscreen infotainment system provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a performance interface that allows drivers to adjust drive modes, suspension settings, exhaust sound, and traction control. Under the hood is where the 2026 GTO truly earns its legendary badge. Pontiac brings back the spirit of big displacement and big power with a modern twist. The standard GTO is powered by a naturally aspirated V8, producing around 500 horsepower, delivering the kind of instant throttle response and spine-tingling sound that muscle car fans crave. For those who want more, a higher performance variant pushes output even further, crossing the 600 horsepower mark thanks to advanced tuning and optional forced induction. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a modern performance automatic that delivers lightning-fast shift. Power is sent to the rear wheels, of course, ensuring that classic muscle car behavior remains intact. Pontiac didn't forget about handling either. The 2026 GTO features an advanced suspension setup that balances straight-line aggression with impressive cornering ability. Magnetic ride control adapts to road conditions in real time, making the car comfortable on the highway and razor-sharp on twisty roads. Acceleration is brutal. The 2026 Pontiac GTO can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, making it competitive with some of today's best performance cars. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. What really sets the GTO apart is how it feels. The roar of the V8, the vibration through the steering wheel, and the way the car squats under hard acceleration all combine to create an emotional driving experience that many modern cars simply can't replicate. Despite its aggressive nature, the 2026 GTO is surprisingly livable. Pontiac ensured that daily usability wasn't sacrificed in the pursuit of performance. The suspension can soften in comfort mode, road noise is well controlled, and the cabin offers enough space for both front and rear passengers. The trunk is practical for weekend trips, and modern driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assistance are included to make everyday driving safer and easier. Safety is another area where the 2026 Pontiac GTO steps confidently into the modern era. High-strength steel and aluminum construction provide a solid structure, while advanced airbags and electronic stability systems help protect occupants. Performance-focused braking systems with large ventilated discs ensure consistent stopping power, even under extreme driving conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the new GTO is how Pontiac managed to keep the soul of the original alive while still embracing modern expectations. This isn't a car trying to be something it's not. It doesn't pretend to be an eco-friendly commuter or a silent luxury cruiser. Instead, it proudly celebrates speed, sound, and presence, the very qualities that made the GTO a legend in the first place. The 2026 Pontiac GTO also sends a strong message to the muscle car market. At a time when many manufacturers are downsizing engines or shifting fully toward electric power, Pontiac's decision to bring back a V8-powered icon feels bold and rebellious. It's a reminder that there's still a passionate audience for cars that prioritize emotion over efficiency and excitement over compromise. On the road, the GTO feels alive. Steering is heavy and communicative, giving the driver confidence at high speeds. The chassis feels balanced, and the rear-wheel drive layout allows for controlled slides when traction control is dialed back. Whether you're cruising on the highway, carving through back roads, or lighting up the tires at a drag strip, the GTO delivers an experience that feels authentic and exhilarating. For longtime fans, the 2026 Pontiac GTO is a dream realized. It respects the legacy of the original while proving that muscle cars can still evolve without losing their identity. For new enthusiasts, it serves as an introduction to what American performance is all about: power, attitude, and presence. In a world where cars are becoming increasingly digital and disconnected, the 2026 GTO stands out as something refreshingly real. It demands attention, rewards skill, and delivers thrills in a way that few modern vehicles can. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you feel. The return of the Pontiac GTO in 2026 isn't about nostalgia alone. It's about reminding the automotive world that legends don't fade away, they evolve, roar back to life, and reclaim their place on the road. And with its aggressive design, powerful V8 engine, modern technology, and unmistakable character, the 2026 Pontiac GTO proves that the muscle car era is far from over.